Hello my dear students, this is Akash HD and welcome to the ASD physics classes. Today we are going to learn the concept of the critical angle, and after that we are going to solve one question based upon the critical angle. So when the light travels from denser to rarer medium, then the angle of incidence in denser medium for which the angle of refraction is 90 degree is called a critical angle. This I will show you by one of the example also here. So first we are going to learn the concept here to solve this question. So my dear students, what I told here, one boundary is there. This side is the denser medium and this side is the rarer medium, and here I will draw one normal, and we know very well the normal is always perpendicular to the boundary. So here what is happening, the angle of incidence, this is the incident ray and this is the angle of incidence. So what I told you, the angle of incidence in denser medium for which the angle of refraction in a rarer medium is 90 degree is called a critical angle. So this angle how much here? This angle is here 90 degree here. So for critical angle, if we want to make the formula of the critical angle, we have to use the Snell's law. So here I am writing the Snell's law. And according to Snell's law, what will be there? The product of refractive index and the corresponding angle will be always constant. So let me write here mu d and here angle I. So I can write here mu d into sine I. Here mu r into sine 90 degree. And as I told that this is the critical angle, so we can write here I equal to C. And this I is what? This I is C here. So after that, if I write here, it will become here sin C equal to mu r by mu d, or we can write here 1 by mu d by mu r. And whenever we are writing the refractive index, by default we will always write denser with respect to rarer. So here I can write here, this one will become here 1 by mu d r. So what formula we have got here? We have got the formula sin C equal to 1 by mu d r. And my dear students, what is this C? This C is the critical angle. So now this formula sin C equal to 1 by mu d r we are going to use to solve this question. So let's see the question. My dear students, here what is there? A glass slab has a critical angle of 30 degree when placed in a air. So what will be the critical angle when it is placed in a liquid of refractive index 6 by 5? So my dear students, to solve this question, first we will take the initial condition. This glass is the denser medium and this air is the rarer medium. So first we will write here glass air interface. So again we are going to use this formula here. So we can write here sin C is equal to 1 by mu, denser means glass and rarer means here air. So my dear students, here this critical angle how much given here? Initially critical angle is given here 30 degree here. So I will write here sin 30 degree is equal to 1 by mu glass with respect to air. Hence we know very well the sin 30 degree value is how much here? 1 by 2 here. So when I will simplify this here, glass with respect to air will come here 2. So my dear students, after calculating this refractive index, again we'll go for the next one. Again, when this glass slab is placed where? It is placed in a liquid. So now what will happen that here? This glass will become denser medium and this liquid will become which medium? This will become here the rarer medium here. So again we'll write here, again which interface? Now our interface is glass liquid interface. Glass liquid interface. So again we will write here as sin C dash, because here we have taken C, so now C dash here. So 1 by mu glass with respect to liquid here, because as I told that glass is the denser and now liquid is the rarer here. So what we can write here, my dear students, here, see here please, mu GL. So we can write here mu glass by mu liquid, and this is with respect to air only. Now, so again we'll simplify this here. This is mu liquid air by mu glass air. Okay, so we have got the formula sin C dash equal to mu liquid air by mu glass air here. After that, my dear students, let me write here. So sin C dash is equal to, let's put the value here, liquid with respect to air, how much given here? 6 by 5. I will write here 6 by 5. And this glass with respect to air, how much we have calculated? 2. So when I will simplify this, it will come here 6 by 10. Again, let's simplify more. It will come 3 by 5. So we are getting here sin c dash equal to 3 by 5. And we know very well, if the triangle is like this. This is 3, this is 4, this is 5, and this angle is 37 degrees. So we can tell here sin 37 degree means 3 by 5. So here sin c dash equal to 3 by 5. So we can get here this c dash value. The new critical angle is going to be how much here? 37 degree. So my dear students, in this video we have learned the basic concept of the critical angle, and this formula sin c equal to 1 by mu we have used to solve one of the very important question that has asked in a competitive exam and all. Okay, so my dear students, if you have liked this video, please comment, subscribe. Thank you so much.